What's up, guys? As you can tell, we are at Terminal 21 in Pattaya, Thailand, and all around me is all kinds of good stuff, but behind me, the little walkway that you see leads to the restroom, the toilet area of Terminal 21. I am going to go where very few cameras have gone before, and I'm going to give you a detailed look at a very awesome toilet. We're talking about a toilet that warms you up and cleans you off and does all kinds of really interesting things. You can tell I'm extremely bored, but this is going to be a lot of fun. So first of all, let me tell you, we're on the second floor, which is the London floor of Terminal 21. And this is at the entrance where the motorbikes park. And to get to one of these toilets, you just simply look up for the woman in pink and the man in blue sign. Usually they also have a wheelchair accessible there, as you can see. If I walk a little bit closer to the sign itself, what I'm talking about. And you will find the restroom there and to the right, so stay tuned for a look at the toilet in Terminal 21. Yes, I am really shooting this video. This is the toilet at Terminal 21 in Pattaya, Thailand. As you can see, here's your warning label, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the features here. So we have a stop rear oscillating on and off, a soft rear oscillating, a front oscillating, I assume that's for women, a dryer to, well, let's say dry everything off after you're finished. You can actually adjust the seat temperature right there, so that this part of the seat is low, medium, or high. You can also adjust the water pressure or the dryer low, medium, and high using that switch as well. Wand cleaning, energy saver, is also an option. The pressure here, the switch that you see here for the pressure, is how much water it squirts out in the bidet type thing right here. Okay, so this is where all the magic happens, and I just thought you guys should have a look at this because this is a fantastic toilet. You can flush using this, or you can flush using this. This little doohickey is a sanitary hand sanitizing thing, and this is your regular good old-fashioned toilet paper dispenser with a small garbage can. And the bathroom is actually big enough that they give you signs on what each thing means, how to use it, and make sure that you are not smoking in the bathroom. Now, doors locked, no problem. Very nice looking. They have a shelf on the back where you can set your stuff while you are handling business. I have to say that the bathrooms of Terminal 21 are absolutely pretty much cool. So anyway, there's the toilet and the bathroom at Terminal 21, Pattaya, Thailand. You're welcome.